Hello there folks, this video is to show you how ClipClip software works. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you already saw in my previous video, this software runs on the background of your computer to capture links, text, images, and store it locally to be used as a reference in the future. You can configure this software based on your needs, and for this video, I will show you how it works in someone that is organized working as a content creator on the internet, programmer, writer, and gamer. As you can see on the screen, all this data is from Clipboard that had been used in the past days while using my personal computer, which is the result from browsing the internet, doing the monthly budget, chatting with folks in Discord, which at any time you can move saved clipboards into folders to store it and use it again in the future. There's two ways to store clipboards. One, you can pin them, and the second way is you can save it into folders, which we will see it shortly. To pin clipboards, let me give you a good example. Let's say I want to send this title of this game and the video to my friend that is fan of this franchise. So I just copy the title and copy the link. Automatically it's going to be captured by this software. So I can just right click it, click on pin clip, and it's going to be stored on the pin clips, which is a fast way to obtain it if you have multiple clipboards saved in this software. And then I can also drag and drop, easy way to do it. So I can send these clipboards to my friend on the next minutes. If you want to save clipboards into folders, you need to start creating folders. By default, when you install the software, it's going to be showing, probably depending on the choices, a lot of folders there. I rather start creating from scratch. As you see, I have like a main folders for information, chat, games. You can organize as you want. So for this example, I'm gonna put it here on the chat. I put like funny videos, and I would like to add that funny video to use it as a reference to show it to my friends, other folks that like D&D stuff. So I'm gonna copy the link. It's gonna be here, right? And then we're gonna name it Spark Vertical Roll, like a keywords. It's gonna be much easier. You will see in the future why. And then I can just drag and drop and put it here. So as a reference, I can use it. I can go into the software, or you can activate the hotkey, which allow me, let's see, let me go to Discord software. Let's say I want to send it to a specific person here on this chat. I can just pull the hotkey and then type in Spark. And there we go. Easy access. I just have it here and I have the link. So this feature of saving in two folders helps to use it for recruit message or any recurrence message you want to do. For example, I want to recruit folks for a specific game called GTFO, so I can use this one. You see, easy access, just without typing anything, I already have it there. Or let's say I want to recruit people to my Discord server, this rank and writer, so I know I can type in rank because I remember the title, and there we go. I don't need to type in anything. So as you see, your imagination is going to be the limit with this software, how you want to use it. And that will be it with this video. I hope you find it useful, learn something new. Thank you for watching, and see you around.